Have you ever wondered how to transform old, tired potting soil into the best growing medium for your plants? It's a remarkable process that can breathe new life into your garden. Using what you might consider waste, you can create a nutrient-rich soil blend that fosters healthy growth. Let's explore the steps to achieve this. Start by removing any leftover plants or weeds from your container. This is a crucial first step. Old plant roots can sometimes harbor diseases or pests, which can hinder the growth of new plants. By cleaning out these roots, you reduce the risk of reintroducing issues that could stifle your plant's development. It's like clearing away the clutter in your workspace. A fresh start paves the way for success. Next, dump the old potting soil into a suitable area where you can work comfortably. As you sift through the soil, make sure to remove as many roots as possible. Even small remnants can compete for nutrients and water with your new plants. A clean slate is vital for the health of your garden. Once you've done that, it's time to enrich the used potting soil. Add an equal amount of fully decomposed compost or manure. This is where the magic happens. Fully decomposed organic matter provides essential nutrients that support plant growth. Aim for a ratio of 40 to 50% of this compost or manure to the used potting soil. This ensures your mix is nutrient dense, setting a solid foundation for your plants. Now, let's talk about amendments. The amendments you choose will depend on the types of plants you plan to grow. Most amendments work well for various plants, but some may have specific pH preferences. Understanding your plant's needs will help you choose the right amendments for optimal growth. For our mix, we're adding a cup of bone meal and a cup of neem cake powder. Bone meal is an excellent source of phosphorus, which is crucial for root development and flowering. It helps plants establish strong root systems, making them more resilient and capable of thriving in various conditions. Neem cake powder, on the other hand, has dual benefits. It not only enriches the soil with nutrients, but also acts as a natural pest deterrent. Neem is known for its ability to repel unwanted insects, helping to keep your plants safe from potential infestations. This natural approach to pest control reduces the need for harmful chemicals, making your gardening efforts more sustainable. After mixing in the amendments, your soil is ready for use. You can plant your new plants, seedlings, or even seeds right away. This fresh, enriched soil will provide a welcoming environment for your plants to take root and flourish. With the right care and attention, you'll soon see the benefits of your hard work reflected in the healthy growth of your garden. Transforming old potting soil into a rich, revitalized medium is not only an eco-friendly practice, but also a rewarding experience. By reusing what you already have and adding beneficial ingredients, you create a sustainable cycle that nurtures both your plants and the environment. So, the next time you look at that old soil, remember that with a little effort, it can become the best potting soil ever. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening advice, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.